Today we're going to have a look at a feature in App Inventor called text-to-speech. And this is going to let us create apps that talk back to us. So I've already got a new project created here, and I've opened up the emulator, and I did that by going to connect and connecting to the emulator. Now I'd suggest you do that now and get it open and ready so we can actually test our app. It does take a minute or two to load sometimes. Okay, I'm assuming now you have the emulator open, so we're going to build our app. So I'm going to drag in my text-to-speech tool. Now you'll notice when I drag it in, it appears over here in the components, doesn't appear on my screen. It's not a visual item. Now I need something to call my text-to-speech, so I'm going to drag a button in, and I'm going to give it some text, so I'm going to call it Press Me. So there's my button, Press Me. So I go to the blocks now, and wherever I've got a button, this bit is always the same, so I go to Button, and I say when button 1 is clicked. So I want something to happen now when I click button 1. So I go to Text-to-Speech, and I've got a set of options here I can call on. I'm going to call this Call Text-to-Speech 1 and make it speak. Now what you're going to have a play with later is some of these extra options down here that let us change kind of the country and language and things. So I'm just going to drag that over here and get rid of it for a second. So for today what we want is call text-to-speech. So I've got that. Now I just need to put in what I want it to say. And for that I need a text box. So text over here, and I'm going to have it say hello world. There we are. So now I need to test it. So I go over to my emulator, press me.
Hello world.
Brilliant, it's working. Now, once you've got that done, your challenge is to add a text box to your screen here. So we're going to go down and add a text box. And what I want you to try and do is make it so that whatever I type in this text box plays when I press the button, Press Me. After you've done that, I want you to have a play with the different options in this voice and see if we can create a bit of a silly voice to go with it. So you're going to go into text-to-speech, down here, and have a play with some of these. Okay, good luck. Off you go.